How to clean a clogged Misto oil sprayer, spritzer. I use a Misto oil spritzer. You fill it up with oil and pump it up and spray a pan with it. It's gotten clogged up so that it just squirts a steady stream of oil, not a spray. Any ideas how to clean it and keep it from clogging again? I've tried soaking it on wine, soaking it in boiling water. I'm going to try filling the bottle with vinegar and water. I've also heard that you should use regular, not extra virgin olive oil. Extra virgin is apparently thicker.
I generally clear my clogged misters, spray nozzles by unscrewing the spray part from the bottle and then submerging the uptake tube in very hot but certainly not boiling water and then pumping as long as it takes to clear the clog out and start spraying a mist spray pattern again. The hot water should be enough to break up the clogs, and the pump action should force the clog out. Cleaning, the manufacturer's instructions. We always recommend washing your Misto using directions included in the instructions booklet to keep the internal assembly clean and working properly. Usually Misto will need to be cleaned approximately every 6 to 8 weeks to keep it working smoothly. Fill the Misto 1/2 full with hot tap water, add 1 drop liquid detergent and shake to mix. Pump 10 to 15 times, spray for 10 seconds, allow the soapy water to remain in the sprayer for several hours or even overnight. This will allow it to break down any oil that has solidified in the sprayer. Rinse, repeat the sequence above with fresh hot water.